Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Is your extender not working properly since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will discuss how to reset Google Wi-Fi within 2 minutes. So watch this video till the end. I hope in the end this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Google Wi-Fi. Resetting Google Wi-Fi is necessary to fix connectivity issues, remove outdated settings, or prepare the device for a new user. It helps restore the system to its factory defaults, ensuring a fresh start for troubleshooting or setup. Make sure your Google Wi-Fi is plugged into power and turned on. It must be powered for the reset to work. Look underneath or on the back of your Google Wi-Fi unit. You'll see a small, circular button. This is the reset button. Press and hold the reset button firmly. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds. While holding, you'll see the light on the device change. It may flash orange/yellow, then turn solid blue. Once the light becomes solid blue, release the button. The device will now start the reset process. This can take up to 10 minutes. Do not unplug or power off the device during this time. When the reset is complete, the light will start pulsing blue. That means it's ready for setup again. For resetup the Google Wi-Fi, open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. Follow the prompts to set up the device as if it were brand new. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.